In this video, we'll go over how to connect a Garmin device to your AI glasses using the Meta AI mobile app. Before you begin, make sure you have the latest versions of the Garmin Connect app and Garmin Connect IQ app installed on your phone. Make sure that your compatible Garmin device is updated and connected to your phone. You'll also need your AI glasses set up and paired with the Meta AI mobile app. Once you're ready to get started, open the Meta AI mobile app on your phone. Tap the settings gear in the top right, then tap App Connections. Tap Garmin, then tap Connect Garmin. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Garmin Connect account to the Meta AI mobile app. This will allow you to ask Meta AI questions about your previous activities on your glasses. You can also view your activity summaries and post photos and videos with your performance stats on them from the Meta AI app. Next, you can connect a compatible Garmin device via Meta AI data field from the Connect IQ store to enable real-time data syncing. Select a device from the list of connected Garmin devices. This will allow you to ask your glasses about your stats in real time, automatically capture footage based on your performance stats with auto capture, and you can even program audio alerts to notify you when you're on or off of your intensity target or a visual indicator with the status LED during a Garmin workout. Follow additional instructions on your Garmin device to add the Meta AI data field to your Garmin smartwatch or bike computer. After install is complete, you will be prompted on your Garmin device to add the data field to your favorite activities. Meta AI works best with any run, bike, or hike activity. Once you're set up, you can start an activity you added the data field to on your Garmin device. You should see a glasses icon as you scroll through the data screens on your device. To test it out, try saying, "Hey Meta, how long have I been working out?" Visit our help center at meta.com/help/AI-glasses to learn more or contact Meta store support.